They said you were too quiet. They said you did not belong. They laughed at your dreams because they could not see them. They tried to break your confidence because they had none of their own. They told you to play it safe. They told you to follow the crowd. But you know deep down you were not born to follow, you were born to lead. You were not made for small talk. You were made for deep thoughts. You were not created to blend it. You were built to stand out. They saw your silence and thought you were weak. They mistook your kindness for softness. They thought you were simple, but they did not know you were simply focused. Focus on building a mind that does not crack under pressure, a mind that does not bend for approval, a mind that stands tall when others sit down. The world does not reward silence, it rewards shows. But the truth is, the loudest person in the room, it is often the most afraid. The person who talks the most, they are often the least sure of themselves. But you are different because you don't need to shout, you don't need to beg, you don't need to prove it. You know who you are becoming, and that's enough. Every early morning when the world sleeps, you rise. Every late night when your body begs for rest, you keep pushing. Every time fear whispers in your ear, you smile and say, "Not today." Most people are afraid of hard work, but you are not. Most people run from discomfort. You run toward it because you know discomfort is the gym of the mind. It tears your limits so strength can grow. It breaks your habit so discipline can rise. It tests your will so character can form. People don't understand you. That's fine. They were meant to you. You were not born to be understood. You were born to be unmatched. While they chase likes, you chase legacy. While they seek comfort, you seek challenge. While they look for shortcut, you walk the long road with pride. You are not interested in temporary applause. You are working for permanent respect, not respect from people, but respect from your own soul. That kind of respect is rare. It's earned in solitude, it's forged in failure, and it shines in victory. Build a mind that is calm in chaos. The storm is not your enemy, the storm is your training ground. The critics are not your enemy, the critics are your fuel. Failure is not the end, it is the start of your evolution. Because your greatest power, it is not in how loud you speak, but in how loud your result become. Let your focus be louder than your voice. Let your growth speak louder than your ego. Let your discipline roar while your lips remain shut. The strongest minds are built when no one is watching. There are no cameras when you are fighting your own laziness. There is no audience when you are sitting with your own insecurities. There are no awards when you sacrifice sleep or when you say no to distraction or when you resist the comfort of quieting. But that's exactly when champions are born. You don't have time for drama. You don't have energy for negativity. You don't chase people who don't see your value. You have learned that real strength is walking away, not because you are weak, but because your peace is too expensive. You have seen darkness, but you did not let it change your light. You have been broken, but you choose to rebuild with gold. You have been alone, but you use that time to grow. You have been ignored, but you never ignored your potential. And now you are becoming dangerous, not in the way that harms other, but in the way that makes other uncomfortable, because you no longer need anyone to lift you. You lift yourself. You don't wait for motivation. You move with purpose. You don't fear failure. You study it. You don't fear loneliness. You use it to train your mind. And that's what scares people. A person who does not flinch. A person who does not need praise. And a person who does not seek revenge. A person who has mastered their emotions. People cannot figure you out. They cannot find your weakness because you have already fought your demons and made peace with your past. You are not what happened to you, you are what you choose to become. Now listen carefully. You are not your pain, you are your progress. You are not your failures, you are your fight. You are not your past, you are your power. So keep going, keep growing, keep training your mind every single day, because the day you decide to stop being a victim, it is the day you become a warrior. A real warrior fights battle nobody sees. A real warrior trains even when tired. A real warrior gets up no matter how many times they fall. And you are that warrior. Let others quiet, you continue. Let others complain, you create. Let others scroll, you study. Let others doubt, you believe. Because this world does not reward wishes, it rewards will. It rewards people who don't just dream, but work when no one believes in them. So say this to yourself now. I am not done yet. I am not weak. I am building something inside me that no one can take away. Let them sleep, you grind. Let them gossip, you build. Let them hate, you stay focused, because someday the same people who laughed at you, I will quote your word. They will study your story. They will follow your example. But you don't do it for them. You do it for the younger version of you. The one who cried quietly in the dark. The one who doubted their worth. The one who thought of giving up. You do it for that person. So you can look back and say, I kept going, I made it thought, I become the one I always needed. So don't just build muscles, build mental strength. Don't just look strong, be unshakable. Don't just survive life, master it. Don't just exit, dominate. Because in a world full of noise, be the silence that makes them listen. Build a mind that does not crack under pressure. Build a mind that chooses growth over gossip. Build a mind that forgives without being asked. Build a mind that does not chase because it attracts. Build a mind that walks alone because it refuses to follow the crowd. This is how legends are made. Not by luck, not by talent, but by obsession, by consistency, by a fire that refuses to go out. And if you feel like you are being tested, it's because you are ready for more. If life is teaching you, it's because it's trying to prepare you for something bigger than you imagine. So don't run from the challenge, run toward it. Let it sharpen you, let it carve out of the strongest vision of you. Every tear worth it, every failure is a lesson, every lonely light your foundation, every painful truth your awakening. Because the old you had to die, so the stronger you rise are stronger. And now you are not just surviving, you are becoming unstoppable. This is your time to build something no one can see yet, but one day they won't be able to ignore it. Your time to become so focused, so disciplined, so powerful that people have no choice but to ask, how did you do it? And you will say, I built a mind so strong, it scared people.